Introducing the Alphaplay Giant Letters by Masgames, unique wooden structures designed for outdoor play and fun. These letters, standing 2 meters tall, are made from pine wood treated in autoclave level 4, making them highly resistant to weather conditions. They are suitable for installation in parks, hotels, campsites, and public spaces thanks to their European EN 1176 certification. The letters are manufactured in Barcelona, and the wood comes from renewable forests in Northern Europe. You can choose individual letters or a complete set to spell out the name of your business, town, or any space you wish to highlight. But Alphaplay is more than just decoration. Each letter can include play elements that encourage children to interact and have fun. You can choose from swings, slides, play panels, and even climbing holds. Additionally, these letters are very versatile. They can be made in natural wood or painted in the color of your choice, allowing them to blend perfectly into any environment or to become an eye-catching visual attraction for businesses, towns, or tourist parks. The Alphaplay Giant Letters are more than just a playground feature. They are a meeting point, a photo opportunity, and a unique identity element that transforms any space.